Hi guys, Belinda here. Welcome and welcome back if you're already subscribed. I'm just going to torch this with my flamethrower. It should be okay. See a teeny little hair here, probably my cat hair. Get that gone. Okay guys, so I have no clue how this is going to turn out. I think this is a 12 by 16. Yes. Yep, 12 by 16 inch. So I'm starting with the black. I'm hoping it's going to turn out what's in my head. Just to get us some more bubbles. Alright, so I'm a little nervous about this one, guys. So I'm going to start with a teeny bit of white over here. Okay. And then I have this beautiful color here. This is ice blue by Deco Art. Now in here I have actually mixed already because I have two. So I thought it'd be best I'll just keep it in there and just mix it up. So let me put it here because I don't want the white to wash it out, if you know what I mean. And then I have a little bit of Prussian blue, which I'm going to put on the other side of that white. So hopefully when I blow it over, I'll still have some of this ice blue. I don't want to lose it. Okay, that's number one. Okay, that is very pretty, although I might blow some of that out. I'll have a look just now in a minute. Wow, that's looking gorgeous. So now instead of putting the I think I might put the white last. So I might put that one over here. That one there. It's beautiful, that ice blue. That's a Prussian blue. Whoa. Actually, I quite like that. I don't know, guys, if my hair go inside there, because I'm going to end up with black hair. Right, I think I saw something here. Right, so now I think I have a bit too much white. I wonder if I should just try and blow some of it that way. Yes, that is looking really, really gorgeous. There's a whole lot of little blue cells and white cells popping up. Okay, that's not going to blow. And then I'm going to blow some of this as well. That's looking good. Okay, so I need a third one. Of course, it's all about the numbers. So I might just do one. Maybe I'll do it that way. So I think this time I'm going to go in with a little less. A little less of the blue. Just a little bit. If I put the white down over there, it's going to create more white little overlap, so I don't really want to do that either. So let's go in with Prussian blue, and I'm going to put a tiny bit of white, hopefully, because I'm really heavy-handed. I've got a heavy foot too, especially when I'm driving. I use so much petrol, and I always get told, but you know, you're so heavy-footed, take it easy on the petrol. Get rid of that white there. That's not wanted or needed. Okay guys, I might need to put a little bit of black here, it's not moving. Just a tad. I need to get rid of this white here. Gone. And I'm going to blow this a little bit with my mouth so that it's, I don't want to disrupt that over there. Bitter. And get rid of some of this. Whoops. Why? Okay, I'm going to blow. I want this a little bit more rounded in the center. Oh yes, that's it. And I'll give it a torch. See all sorts of beautiful things coming up here. Nice. Wow. Alright guys, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. So here it is. I love these little parts of cells popping up in between the black, and this really just turned out so phenomenal with that ice blue. Really loving that, and hopefully you can see all of those little cells as well, and the lacing. Yeah, I really love that. So I think all in all it really turned out amazing. Trying to get some light on it. You can see all of those little cells there. It actually looks like silvery white. And I love all of these little cells over here too. Really, really pretty. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching once again. Thanks for subscribing and sharing and liking. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.